Dictation of Sir Kailash Chandra, Advanced Physiography. So we ready? 1, 2, 3, start. According to the is not able to within the purview of the I hope that the we hope that the having been sooner than set apart all these things, all those things, foreign countries, we shall be able to, we should be able to, we could have had at my disposal, at your disposal, at their disposal, at our disposal, should not be there. Money lenders, sought to be, said to be chairman of the committee, under the chairmanship of the, in any case, in on many occasions, I had requested previous speaker in some other cases what is to be done in such a way to amend the as we have, as we think, as we say, as we can to some other would also be has been done to do so lakhs and lakhs crores and crores larger and larger greater and greater higher and higher further and further were not on the contrary as a matter of fact and as such and as such as a matter of fact under the circumstances in the circumstances under the present circumstances in the present circumstances or the other or not as we have been in pursuance of the in the last session I don't find I did not I did not have they will not be given as they were let us see according to him who have not which have not are to be given he is not able to university education public sector undertakings private undertakings private sector undertakings governments undertakings state undertakings industrial undertakings electricity undertakings that there will be has gone up in the current year must be given has already been industrial development of the country industrial sector planning commission which should be community development members of the which cannot be which could not be going to be more or less president's address national level central level state level district level village level panchayat level lower level in the contest of the members of the parliament day to day in the way of has said that in the hands of the at the hands of the as I said at the present moment at the present time at the present juncture out of place fag end of the session fag end of the session fag end of the session at the end of the session in such a case in such cases could not be in the interest of the in the interest of the in the interests of the country I should like to know we should like to know I would like to refer to look into the matter in these cases we are able to electric power I do not understand all India services to keep in view I can tell you whatever may be industrial development of the country I think there is I do not think that the put forward is being done apart any part of the aware of the fact that this is not the what is happening at one time food prices, food production in the first year rather than considerable amount as against has to be remembered that has to be remembered that has to be remembered that excise duty much greater, much better. That would not be, it is to be, it has to be, is deadly, we shall not be Rajya Sabha. Thank you.